I was just here marking out the plates for my new clamp, and I've got 6 of them here because I'm making 6 clamps. And I was thinking to myself while I was doing this, look at how long I'm spending on each little operation of this. And when you add it all up, of course, it comes to a couple of days or something like that. Then again, I'm filming it, so it's probably taking me longer than it normally would. But I got to thinking about, the value in doing something like this. And, what came to mind was these ones right here. And I made these back in, I don't know, I think 2010, maybe even later prior to 2009. And they're still around today, and I still use them. I don't use them very often, but when I need extra clamps, I go down to the cabinet where they are, and I pull them out, and I use them. And that's 8 years ago now, you could say almost, or 8 years for sure. So you look at the time it took me to make these, and you balance that against all of the time that I've had them as backup clamps. So of course I use these ones as my main clamps. So I have 6 of these short ones and 6 of the long ones, and they do most of the stuff. But when I need extra ones, it's nice to have a few on hand, and also it's nice to have longer ones because they get to be really expensive. So when you look at it that way, if you take 2 days out of your schedule and then have clamps that you may use for the next 10 to 15 to 20 years, or even, pass it on to your children type thing, because, if they're made well, they last a long time.